I hope you all are doing great. So today I am recreating my look that I have created for MTV Winged. So let's get started. So I have already washed my face. So it's very important to exfoliate your face before you start with your makeup. So my skin is already clean, so I don't have to use any wipes or anything. So I'll start with my eyebrows. So for the brows I'm using Makeup Revolution Eyebrow Shaping Focus and Fix in shade medium brown. And these are the shades that I'm going to use. So to begin with, I'm going to start brushing my eyebrows. So to shape my brows, I'll be using this angular brush. You can have any type of brush, but make sure that you're using an angular brush. I'll be mixing all these shades and I'm going to dust off the extra and now using a spoolie brush, I'm going to brush off the extra and this will be a blended effect. And as you can see, there is a gel. I'm going to swirl my brush into this gel and I'm going to fix my brows. So my eyebrows are done. Now I'm going to moisturize my skin because my skin is getting a little dry. So I'm using Glam Aroma. And this is Carrot and Fennel Moisturizing Day Cream. तो वर्कशॉप में हम लोग को प्राइमर नहीं दिया था, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे प्राइमर यूज़ करूँगी ताकि मेरा मेकअप स्टे करे लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime. और मैं एक ड्रॉप लूँगी इसको अपनी आँख में. After priming, just wait for at least 2 minutes. To conceal my eyes, I'll be using Kryolan in shade Ivory. Using a dab motion, I'm going to set this in my skin. To set my concealer, I'm using HD Flawless Absolute Newyork Press Powder. In the shade Banana. For setting your concealer, make sure there are no crease. So as you can see, there are crease. So I am again going to blend this and quickly I'm going to apply I'm going to set this with a powder. For my eye makeup, I'm using Matte Shimmer Nude Eyeshadow Palette. And using a fluffy brush, I'll be using this lightest shade from the palette. So I'm applying this on my crease line. You can see this is the crease line. Okay, just above the crease line, I'm applying this transition shade. And always use your brush from the back. It's easier to apply your eyeshadow instead of using this. This gives more of pressure. So instead of that, use from back motion. So it's easier to apply and easier to blend. Now I'm going to mix these two shades. I'm going to mix this and apply it just below where I've applied my transition shade. So this is the place where I applied my transition shade. So I'm just going to start from here. Okay. Transition shade is above. So just below that I'm applying it. Now from the Huda palette, I'm using this color, that is Oud. shade. So again I'm using it. Now to cut my crease, I'm again using the same Kryolan Ivory shade concealer. Now I'll be using Makeup Revolution Pretty Incredible palette. I'll be applying this shade. This is the shade that I'm going to apply. Now for my center part of my eyelids, I'll be using this shade. Now again on my center of my eyes, I'll be using this shade. Outer corner, I'll be using this shade. I'm using same brush. I'll also be mixing it with this dark brown. Now eye makeup is almost done. Now I'm going to clean the edges. So to clean my edges, I'm using a cotton pad and I'm taking micellar water and keeping it like this. You can also use a wet wipe. Clean it like this. Okay. Now I'm going to use MAC Prep and Prime primer. Now instead of wiping it off like this, I'm going to use a dab motion. If you're using a dab motion, your primer will set in your pores and your makeup will stay for a longer period of time and it will not crack. After priming, I'm going to wait for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to use a corrector. I'm using Kryolan 303 number. So I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Wherever I have pigmentation, I'm using this. Using a dab motion, I'm going to blend my corrector. After correcting, I'm going to wait at least for 2 minutes. Now for my foundation, I'm using PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.0 and I'm going to use 1 drop of this foundation and I'm going to mix it with Huda Beauty in the shade Cheesecake. I'm going to mix this both. For highlighting, I'm using Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro HD Cream Contour Palette and in the shade Light Medium. I'll be using this shade to set my highlighter. I'm going to use Makeup Revolution loose powder in the shade Banana. For contouring, I'm using this shade. To set my contour, I'm using Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade Ultra Fair C01. I'm going to dust off extra whatever is extra on my face. For my blusher, I'm using 13 Kit Eyeshadow plus Blush Palette that I've got from Aghori, and this is the blusher shade that I'm going to use. This will be Smile. Coming back to eyes, I'm going to use this shade on my waterline. I'm also mixing this shade. For my inner corner, I'll be using this. I'm going to mix this shimmer and this shimmer. For my liner, I'm using Sugar Eyeliner. For my waterline, I'm using Maybelline Newyork eyeliner in the shade 01 Black. For my brow bone, again I'm going to mix these two eyeshadows. I use this under my brow bone area. For my highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Pretty Incredible, and I'm going to use this as my highlighter. For my lipstick, I'll be using Huda lipstick. This is also I've got from Aghori. I could not mention this in my last haul, so because I could not get it, and the shade is 01. And I'm also going to apply from BH Cosmetics 28 color lipstick palette, this lipstick shade. So I completely forgot to apply my mascara. For my mascara, I'm using Tarte 4-in-1 mascara. Now to set this makeup, I'm going to use Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. So that's it guys, I hope you really like this look. Press the thumb button if you really like this look, and please do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.